The Turkish Airforce is the aerial warfare service branch of the Turkish Armed Forces. The Turkish Air Force can trace its origins back to June 1911 when it was founded by the Ottoman Empire. However, the Air Force as it is known today did not come into existence until 1923 with the creation of the Republic of Turkey. It is considered to be the third largest air force in NATO. Hi friends, I am Rajab and you are watching Alzara 313 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Turkish Air Force. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. In 2008, Havelsan of Turkey and Boeing of the United States were in the process of developing a next-generation high-altitude ballistic missile defense shield. It was envisaged that the system would be used by Turkey, the US and other NATO members. In 2011, Turkey's Under-Secretariat for Defense Industries signed an agreement with TAI for the conceptual development of basic capabilities of National 5th Generation Fighter Aircraft project named the TAI-TFX. On June 30, 2021, the Turkish Air Force made an official presentation about the TFX program to the press. On 28 March 2013, the Turkish Secretary of the Defense Industry of the Ministry of National Defense of Turkey, Murat Bayer, announced intentions to replace the F-16 fighter with domestically produced multi-role fighter by 2023. Following the agreement signed on 22 July 2018 between the Turkish Air Force and TAI, the program for developing an advanced jet trainer, TAI Horjet, was initiated to replace the existing T-38 Talon aircraft. The Horjet is expected to be operational by 2025. The CEO of the UAV Giant in Turkey, Baker, announced that Turkey is developing an unmanned fighter jet and bomber, the Baker Kızıl Elma. The fighter is expected to make its first flight in 2022. In 1925, the Air Force was deployed to take part in a campaign aimed to suppress the Sheikh Zayed rebellion. In 1995, the Turkish Air Force took part in NATO's Operational Deliberate Force. Turkey provided 18 F-16 for the NATO campaign against Serbia during Operation Allied Force in 1999. Of these, 11 TAI-built F-16 were stationed at the NATO base in Aviona, while the other 7 were based in Ankara, Turkey. All were equipped with laser-guided bombs using the Lantern night vision system. Turkish jets had previously patrolled Balkan airspace, providing protection for attacking aircraft. During this Allied air campaign, TAI-built F-16 set a World Cup record by patrolling for 9 hours and 22 minutes above the Balkan theater. Normally, CAP missions last between 3 and 4 hours. On 8 October 1996, 7 months after the escalation of the dispute with Turkey over the EMEA Kordak Island, a Greek Mirage 2000 fired an R-550 Magic II missile and shot down a Turkish F-16D over the Aegean Sea. The Turkish pilot died, while the co-pilot ejected and was rescued by Greek forces. In August 2012, after the downing of a RF-4E on the Syrian coast, Turkish Defense Minister İsmet Yılmaz confirmed that the Turkish F-16D was shot down by a Greek Mirage 2000 with an R-550 Magic II in 1996 after reportedly violating Greek airspace near Chos Island. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.